منډې مه وهئ بچي په قسم زړونه ځان اخلي سټارټ کوم خان لیول خدای ته دې دغلته ونیسي بچي خان لیول A Muslim must give his percentage of the
No.
خان لیول
Allah, my name is Sahil, my father name is Rahman, and today I want to speak about justice. Justice is more important in the whole world. Allah, my name is Sahil. Rahman. Today I want to speak about justice. Justice is more important in the whole world.
تذكر على قطعة تزقون
of species in Almighty Allah, who is the creator of the creatures, and can every grace of Allah be on His Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who is the source of life, who is our ceremony, dear audience, in the Hidakum. Welcome to this course is present you the best.
ده السكة ده In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, who is the king of all kings, who is the leader of all leaders, who is the teacher of all teachers. That's the guy. ترى عزيز بندك بيش رضا In the name of the one who created the human for his worship and the universe for the utilities of human. Before every speech, I want to grant my best wishes and respects with golden present of Apostle Muhammad, peace be upon him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The name of the one who created the human for his worship and the universe for the utilities of human.
No.
Ya لسرقة تكاكا وزن دخدا آغا لسرقة وزن دخدا